Construction accidents and the dangers inherent in that kind of work. Look, when you're working construction, everybody knows there are dangers. Construction accidents are among the most serious accidents there are, whether you're on the roof of a building or whether you're on the ground below. There's falling objects below and there's dangerous objects above. You should have protective fall material. You should have the right equipment. You got to make sure that you're really wide awake when you're there. There's tremendous responsibility when you own a construction site. You got to maintain it in a safe fashion. Not only do you have workers' compensation, you have the general contractor has another obligation to protect every single worker that's at that work site. And you could be the beneficiary if you are hurt there. Just contact us if you are injured in a work injury.